Seit der Reichsgründung ist es durch 43 Jahre mein und meiner Vorfahren heißes Bemühen gewesen.
For 43 years since the founding of the empire, I and my ancestors have been striving hard to maintain peace in the world and to promote our powerful development in peace. But our opponents are jealous of the success of our work. We have so far endured all the open and secret hostility from east and west, from across the sea, in the awareness of our responsibility and strength. But now they want to humiliate us. They demand that we watch with folded arms as our enemies prepare for treacherous attacks. They do not want us to stand in resolute loyalty to our ally, who is fighting for his reputation as a great power. And with his humiliation, our power and honor is lost. So the sword must decide. In the midst of peace, the enemy attacks us. So get up to the weapons. Any wavering, any hesitation would be a betrayal of the fatherland. It is a question of the existence or non-existence of our kingdom, which our fathers refounded themselves. About the existence or non-existence of German power and German essence, we will defend ourselves to the last breath of man and horse, and we will fight this battle even against a world of enemies. Germany has never been overcome when it was united. Forward with God, who will be with us as he was with the fathers.
Join the conversation and stay connected. If you have suggestions for other historical speeches or works you'd like to see recreated, please leave a comment below with your recommendations. Your input is invaluable in shaping our content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unique and thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching and being part of our community. And I would like to take a moment to thank all of my patrons and YouTube members who help fund this work. Gold, Ben, DJ, Aaron, Edward, Space Captain, Myron, Harrison, Musicata, Carlisle, Ali, Cece, Mount FGT, Cult of Beauty, Alberto, Jared, Owen, Fex Hausa, Really Bad, Sarayevsky, Phoenix, Mike, JD, Rolfus, and Kid Vanderboos.